In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix it when you're getting emergency calls only on Android. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so to fix emergency calls only on Android, what you want to do is you want to find your settings app, and you want to open up your settings app, and you want to go to connections at the top. Click on connections and then go to SIM manager. And you want to make sure that you have an available SIM card in your phone. Chances are you will likely do that. And if you go into more SIM settings, you want to make sure that it's not locked and it is activated. If you've just installed a new SIM card, then it might be still processing, and then you'll get access to that SIM card later. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then the second thing that could be happening is that it's just a network outage of your mobile carrier. Okay, so in that case, you just need to wait it out. I found that when you just get the no service, emergency calls only, that means that there's an outage, and could be because of weather or something like that. So you just need to wait for that, and then the issue should be resolved. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.